This heavy-duty wood planer is equipped with a high-power electric motor and wear-resistant planer knife system, boasting extraordinary cutting capacity to easily process thick, high-hardness wood and special-shaped lumber, adapting to various harsh processing conditions. Its robust body structure and high-quality materials ensure excellent stability and durability, maintaining long service life even under high-intensity continuous operation, reducing failure rates, and lowering maintenance costs for enterprises. It is an ideal equipment for large-scale wood processing. Welcome to contact us for detailed product information.